ho, ho! Merry Christmas, my wonderful friends, at WeKinnect Global Branding Agency, and all you amazing clients out there. Dennis and Darlene, I see the way your hearts light up with gratitude for every business that trusted you this year. It's a bit like my own workshop, you know. You don't just make things, you help dreams grow. All those brands and ideas you've cared for and promoted, oh my, they shine like stars over the North Pole. The elves keep asking, Santa, how do those clever folks at WeKinnect help people stand out so much? I tell them, well, they're always inventing new tools and clever ideas to keep their clients a step ahead. It's like having a team of marketing elves right inside your business. That made the elves very proud. As we move into 2026, I see you continuing to walk beside your clients, not just as a company they hired, but as a true partner in their growth, cheering them on, helping them reach those big, brave goals. And don't worry, if you ever feel tired, just remember, even Santa needs a cookie break now and then. Mrs. Claus insists. I'm so proud of the kindness, creativity, and commitment you've all shown. From my sleigh to your offices and homes, Merry Christmas, Dennis, Darlene, and every WeKinnect client. May your ideas be bright, your results be joyful, and your spirits be very merry. Ho, ho, ho!